In this video, I am going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube. So we're going to upload a YouTube video using Imovie. And if you open up Imovie, you can see on the Projects tab that on the left there is a Create New button with a big plus sign. And if you open this up, you can actually import media directly from your computer. So we are going to click out of this and go to a different project I have already set up. Now, as you can see in here, I have got audio clips, video screencasts, and it's all set up ready to go at this point. You can easily add for sharing files in here of iMovie. And once you are ready, then we click on it button, we click the very top YouTube right button screen. And in here, this allows us to actually change the title of the video. But as you can see, it's already pre-populated with the video title I have within iMovie. Now underneath, we can change the description of the video. And this is what will be added to our YouTube description automatically. So we can tweak this a little bit. We can also edit this after we make the upload. And directly underneath the description, we also have tags. Now, tags are very useful in order to get found on YouTube. So you can go and add your own tags in here, and these are comma separated. So you can quickly add a few tags that are relevant to your video. And you will sometimes notice this little warning pop up in iMovie to say that there's something wrong with the tags. Now, basically, if you have a comma left at the end, will give you this warning. So make sure that each keyword is properly separated with a comma and there's no comma at the end of the tags. You can also change the resolution here, but we have it set at 720p, which seems quite good so far. And we can change the category for our video. Now for us and this type of video, how-to seems like the most appropriate. And by default, I normally leave the privacy set to private. And the reason for that is that we can then make further changes to the video once it has been added to YouTube before publishing it live. Now, on the bottom left of this little pop-up, we can actually change our account that we want to post to for our channel. So you can see here that it's wanting to continue to iMovie. So this will basically grant you permission to post directly to your channel. Now I have this set up already at my email address, so it's fine and ready to go. But otherwise you can sign in and connect your channel to that. So finally then we get this terms of service notice that basically just points out that you shouldn't be uploading copyrighted materials. But this is our own material, so we're fine here. And we will just hit publish. And you will find on the very top right of iMovie that there is a little circle. Now if we hover this circle, this is actually showing us the activity progress. Now once we click on that, we can see that it is writing the movie file. So it will create this movie file before uploading it directly to YouTube. So over time this will work as a little progress, little pie chart type thing showing the progress of the upload. So depending on the speed of your internet connection, how quickly that will upload. Now what we can also do while we are waiting for the video to upload is create some details for the video. So we can create a description, modify the title, and prepare some keywords, so that once the video has completed the upload, that these details are quite easy to add. And you can also use the extra time to prepare a cover photo for your video. Now I like to do this in Adobe Photoshop, but you can use Canva or other applications to do this. And it's really a good way to quickly use up that time. So while that video is taking time to upload, you're actually making good use of your time. And once the video upload is completed, then it will be quite easy for you to just populate the details and boot the video live. The nice thing about using iMovie to upload to YouTube is that once it's complete, you will see a little pop-up on your screen, and if you click the visit, it will take you directly to the YouTube video. Now, as you can see here, that the video is still being processed, and this is very normal. It usually takes like 1 to 2 minutes after the upload is complete before it can be published. But normally what you can do here is just click on the edit video button, and then we can edit the details of the video. So if you've prepared them already in advance, you can just paste them into these fields. And you will notice here that as we edit the description, the save button has been activated again. So once you make any changes, then you can click on the button to the top right to make the save. And we can go ahead and add additional keywords here. Once you press the comma button after entering a keyword, it will automatically format it for you. And while we were doing that, our video has finished the processing, and on the top right now we can see the actual screenshot of the video, and it allows us to pick thumbnails now. So we'll go ahead and save our video at this point, and we can then go back to our list of videos just to confirm that it has been uploaded correctly. So then we have our new video there at the top, and right now we can go ahead and post that live if we want to, or we can edit the details further. But what I would normally do at this point is attach a custom thumbnail. So putting it live is just a case of changing the visibility from private to public and then hitting save. And once we hit the save button, then it will be live on YouTube for everyone to see. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys have found this video helpful. And if this video has been helpful to you, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. And I will see you guys in the next video.